Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today we're gonna be doing some Jamaican curry chicken. Get your notepad, get your pen. First things first, we wash our meat with lime and vinegar. We have some onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, some cloves of garlic. That's the vinegar I use, and of course we use natural lime. So paprika, some ground black pepper. Better pack curry is for that rich golden color. That's my curry of choice. Submerge that into a skillet. Make sure the skillet reaches the correct temperature. The garlic cloves is going to help to soften the chicken, and that bitter pack curry, let it stay in the pot for like 1 to 2 minutes on low heat and just get a brown color, so that when it's infused with the chicken with that gorgeous seasoning, everything just blends and submerge itself beautifully, and we get golden curry chicken. So in a pot on the stove, we're going to let it sit, put the curry chicken in the pot and let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and uncover it. You're gonna see something looking like this. It should look like this, and it springs its own water. That's if you want extra gravy, just like me, I had a little extra water, and as the product cooks and reduces, you're gonna get less gravy, so you can tip a little water here and there as you go and just stir it. Just pay attention to it. This takes 30 to 40 minutes on medium to low heat. You can add chopped potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, whatever additives you want to add, any extra seasoning to taste. This is so delicious. This is from my kitchen to yours. Perfect to try for this holiday season. If you've never tried Jamaican cuisine, this is one of the top picks. Okay, so until next time, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.